I made her choose between an abortion or our marriage. After 19 years and one beautiful daughter, now 14, I thought my marriage was secure. We're active Mormons, and my daughters have always been raised in the church and with its beliefs. Like all kids, the teenage years led to some rebellion. We'd catch her keeping secrets or telling little white lies. We tried to be understanding and always reminded her that the church was there for her too. In time, the lying stopped, and she became more open with us again. But I wasn't prepared last week when our daughter sat us both down and told us she was pregnant. My wife and I were completely stunned. She admitted that the father was a young boy who just left on mission work. They'd done the deed as a way to say goodbye. The church is strictly against abortion, but looking at my 14-year-old daughter, I couldn't let this happen. I told her we'd support her choice to end the pregnancy, but my wife went ballistic. She couldn't believe I'd suggest something so evil and said there's no way our daughter is having an abortion. I know it's against my religion, but our daughter needs this. I told my wife that our daughter is having an abortion, and if she can't accept that or thinks I'm evil, then she can divorce me over it. I told her to think hard, then left for my brothers and haven't returned. My marriage and my daughter's future are still hanging in the balance.